developed from the famous British BAe Hawk trainer. The Hawk 200 is a light multirole fighter specifically intended for the export market, where it has found success in Oman, Malaysia and Indonesia. Unlike its predecessor Hawks, this one could be developed solely to combat and not have trainer functionality. The second seat was removed to be filled with combat electronics. The Hawk 200 can engage in air defense, air denial, anti-shipping, interdiction, close air support, and ground attack. In 1984, British Aerospace, now BAE Systems, decided to pursue development of a combat-oriented variant of the Hawk aircraft, designated as Hawk 200. Up to this point, the Hawk family had been typically employed by operators as an advanced trainer with secondary combat capabilities. The Hawk 200 made its maiden flight on May 19, 1986. A total of 62 were produced between 1990 and 2002. Its largest operator currently is the Indonesian Air Force with 23 aircraft, the Royal Malaysian Air Force with 13 aircraft, and the Royal Air Force of Oman with 11 aircraft. In terms of design, the Hawk 200 retains the characteristics of its predecessor, with the notable trends being a single cockpit instead of the two-seat cockpit on the BAe Hawk. The forward cockpit area, which normally houses a pilot, is replaced by an electronics bay for avionics and onboard systems, including a fire control computer, multi-mode radar, lasering finder, and forward-looking infrared. The aircraft has a length of 11.38 meters, a wingspan of 9.39 meters, a height of 4.16 meters, an empty weight of 4.12 tons, and a maximum takeoff weight of 9.1 tons. It has a low-mounted cantilever wing and is powered by a single turbofan engine. The Hawk 200 also has an upgraded wing, which, in addition to four-wing pylons, since in previous Hawks, also has wingtip missile support as well as greater wing area, increased wing droop, larger flaps, and an optional mid-air refueling capability. The Hawk 200 is powered by a single Rolls-Royce Turbomeca Adore Mark 8 7-1 non-afterburning turbofan engine with 26 kN thrust. The aircraft can reach a maximum speed of Mach 1.2, a cruise speed of 796 km per hour, a range of 892 km with internal fuel only, and can be increased to 1,950 km with 3 drop tanks. The surface length is 15,250 meters, and the rate of climb is about 58 meters per second. The Hawk 200 has 7 external store points with 4 underwing pylons, an under-fuselage pylon, and wingtip air-to-air missile stations. The range of external stores which the aircraft can carry includes air-to-air missiles, anti-ship missiles, torpedoes, a gun pod, rocket launchers, reconnaissance pod, and bombs. The pilot has a hands-on throttle and stick control system and a wide field of view head-up display. The pilot can select the weapons and release mode prior to initiating an attack. The Hawk 200 is equipped with a Northrop Grumman AN/APG 66H multimode radar, which is a solid-state medium-range Pulse Doppler planar array radar designed by the Westinghouse Electric Corporation, now Northrop Grumman, for the F-16 Fighting Falcon with a range of up to 150 kilometers. It has 10 air-to-surface and 10 air-to-ground modes for navigation and weapon aiming purposes. The APG-66H variant on the Hawk 200 has a smaller antenna for slightly reduced capabilities. My video about the Hawk 200 fighter answer. Thank you for watching. If you find this video interesting, please give me your thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to support the channel. Goodbye and see you again in the next videos. Tạm biệt và hẹn gặp lại quý vị và các bạn trong các video tiếp theo.